So I'll be adding my logo in my application. So let me try first. Sorry, just delete this. Sorry, got it. No. So I'll just delete this and just click icon to make it more easy. Actually, click on any resources, just put a Java cup for the first place. So let me remove the text. So here how to add the image means, first of all let me do this perfectly. Good. Now go to the source. You can see here a file has been browsed, so I'll just remove all those things. Here in my free GST software, I'll create a source folder, new source folder, SOU. So this will be a source folder here, and it will be images. Just click finish, and I'll just drag and drop my logo. So it's actually this. Click here and just drag and drop it. Perfect. And here is a photo name. Just okay. It's actually a PNG image, but no problem. Just copy qualified name and just paste it here. So it's actually a current path, so that I'll just remove all these things. I'll just try to design. Good. I got my logo here, you can see it perfectly. So I'll just got it. See, you can see my logo is here now. So I'll just move it to some left. Right. So intact Abode, and I'll be mentioning some GST here. So let me combine. Wow, beautiful. It looks very amazing actually. I'm impressed with my application. Good, yeah. My god. Sorry. Let it be as the same way how it was. Beautiful. Nice. Yeah, my logo is here now. So I'll be adding the menu buttons. If anything the required will be done here. Wow, it's looking beautiful. Yeah, my logo is really amazing. So this is my application. So awesome. So fine. So this will be the percentages. See, if I done any mistakes with the calculations or anything, please let me know in the comments, so that I'll be correcting them. So don't worry, these are not the final. This is part of demo. Sorry, let me move this to right a little bit. Perfect. So this is more to right a little bit, so you can move them little. So no problem, we'll do that in a final touch, but let's concentrate on database and all this. So I would like to add all these files in my database actually. So commonly we need to create all these fields. Perfectly okay. Total products, fine. Right, good, looking awesome. So let's start the work now. So I'll be creating it. So for now I'm creating an h2 database first of all. So I'll be adding my h2 database. So it's an embedded database actually. So where is that? I have downloaded it already, so let me check it. It's here. So it's having a jar file, so I'll add a jar file to my project here in this. Build path, configure build path. So I'll just so okay. Build path, configure build path. libraries, add external jars, it's in downloads. So the folder name is h2. So this is an h2 database I most commonly use in all my videos. It's free, fast, and so cooperative and fast to work with queries actually. So I'm been using this since last 2 years. It's really amazing actually. So I have added the h2 database here. So let me create a connection. So to save a little time, so I have already have the connection class here. So I'll just copy paste it. Downloads. It's I have already downloaded the source file. This is my project actually. Connection manager, copy. So I'll just paste the file in this, paste it. But here actually the connection manager class is having a different package name. So intect.abode. Perfect. Now I think the errors will go off, and just I'm reviewing it. Perfect. Good. So I already made a connection class. So this is the common driver. So I'll show you where is that came from. Desktop, and this will be downloaded. So I'll just compile it and show it to you guys. So sorry, I will not be interested in this. I'll go for the embedded database. Fine. So this is my table. So so there's already a table called intact Abode. I'll be dropping all this table. Drop table intact Abode. Right, just compile, and drop table invoice. Right, I think drop table variant random table. Right, drop table tiger, okay, and drop table xyz. Perfect. I think my thing is perfect now. So I'm using this. I'll create a table with all the required fields what we have right now from the beginning onwards. So let me work on this. It's a customer name, mobile number. So I'll be going from the first place. That will be more awesome. So it's better to add the what we say the application, whoever is using, the person who will be using my application in future. So we need to take his name also. That will be more awesome. So I'll just mention his name here. So this will also be a text field, or I don't want to make this a text field actually. So I'll be taking the information of the user also. So that will be in the next place, but let me add all these names first. So that will be done, but let me add all these things. Sure. So from the first customer name, a mobile number. So I don't want to go from the beginning onwards. I'll be going from the down. I'll be adding first product name, and I'm a little bit confused here. Let me make this to the right thing actually. Sorry. Okay. The confusion is what meant. I don't want this GST and discount should be here. I'll just put it after the sell price. This will make me more awesome. Yeah, I'm a little satisfied now. So how it works means I'll show you, and here I'll be giving an edit option also. So that will be in a very future tutorials, but for now I'll just create an invoice structure of a GST. So this went to top. it is too high again, so I'll be using shift here. Perfect. So it's right straight. Great, 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 great. Chalo. See, I'm not wasting my time actually, I'm just making it look more perfect. So here we'll be having names and everything. Good, good, good. So any future changes will be duly accepted. So invoice date, invoice number. For now, in a database, the best date will be in this structure: 0, this year, month, and date, something like this. So invoice date. So in future, in the later future tutorials, this will not be a text field. Actually, the date will not be a text field. This will be actually a date drop down that looks more awesome. So that will be added in the future tutorials, but let me make it a little bit quick with the invoice so that we can decorate the application later. So I will closing this. Yeah, GST software. Okay, this is GST percentage. So let this also be to the right, no problem. Now this is a scroll pan. This is invoice scroll pan, right? Right. Just now I'll be creating a table using this structure. So let me go into this. So first, product name, HSN code, batch number or unique ID, manufacturer, expiry date, and all those things, and discount, percentage, and quantity. Awesome. Now let's start with a database design. It's more preferable, it's more beautiful if you create a database table. It's not a good practice creating plenty of tables. Actually, it's better to create a single table and make the use of the table in different ways. But for now I'll be creating a table now. So let me create a table, invoice table. Okay, good. So this went to left, my logo went to left, huh? Oh, yeah. No problem, not at all a problem actually, no problem. I'll just for now I'm just wasting my time here. So for now let it be like this. I don't want to disturb my logo. This will be in a final touch, but let me create the database design now. So create table. So we're creating a table, create table, invoice table, add create table, invoice table. Okay, just a second. Right, first will be the product name, product varchar will be some around 100, and HSN code, comma, HSN code varchar 100. Right, let me compile the application. This will look so HSN code, and I'll be giving a batch number and a unique code, comma, batch number, varchar, that will be not more than 20. I just hope, let it be 50, not bad. Sorry, this should be in a bracket. Sorry, these things commonly happen. Batch number, and then later batch number and manufacturer. Turer manufacturer, and this will also be 100 characters, so this will also be 100. After manufacturer, I'll add expiry date and expiry date varchar 100 100 and MRP rate. And before that, I would like to go for number of products sorry, product quantity. This will be around, I'll be just using number for this. This will be around 20, no problem. Number of products that will be used for this, and MRP rate and sell price. P rate, MRP price, we can say. This will be number, but the prices are always in decimals, so I'll be using 19,2. and sell price comma, this will also be a number, and 19,2, right? And discount and GST percentage comma, this is discount, this will also be a number, right? So this will be around 10. Nobody is going to give more than 1 lakh percentage. So GST percentage, or else you can simply say GST tax or GST. This will be also a number, not more than, we'll just take it 10, not a problem. So quantity, I would like to take decimals, that will be more awesome. So quantity will also, so this quantity will also be a number, not number, but this will also be 19,2, and I think we need to take invoice date, invoice address, invoice date and invoice number. Invoice date varchar 2, so this will not be more than 50, I think, and invoice number, right? This will also be this around, we'll just take 50, and address, customer name, mobile number, comma, customer name. Okay, you can write customer name also, varchar 100, and customer mobile number, this will also be around 20, is not more than 20, is more enough. So customer number, this will be a number, this will be a varchar 100, not 100, we'll just go for 20, and address will be the last one, address varchar 150, we'll take 150. So I think we have covered all the fields, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, batch number, HSN code, add So everything is fine. Right, good. So I just compile the table whether anything is wrong. Good, my goodness. So I'll just check the table. So show columns forward invoice table 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So you can see 16 rows, right? We'll just count them 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. Awesome. So we'll just try to insert some data from this. I'll try to add products first. Good. Add products, then we'll be doing the invoice, right? Perfect. Now I'll just try to give the names for these things. So you can see all the tables here. So it's working like this. So here on the place of entry, I'll just make an action key pressed. Here I'll just make it if arg0 dot get key code double equals to key event dot vk enter, right? Then pane dot show message dialog null, and what I'll say, yes, enter button clicked, right? Now I'll just try to do that thing. What will happen? Yeah, when I press enter key, so this message displays, so that I can write some code in that place when I click enter. So if I press some other button, the data will be inserted, but when I press enter, so it displays something like this, so that I'm ready to insert some data to my database. So before that, I should name all my columns. So let me do that. So this is customer name, right? So this is customer mobile number, so I'll just make it more short, customer mobile number, and this is product name, sorry, not product name, product quantity. What this is actually is that this quantity will be directly going to the, so I'll explain you. This will be product quantity, and this will be product name, and this will be the HSN code, and this will be MRP price, and this will be batch number and unique batch number, and unique code. So sell price, so this will be a manufacturer, TURE or manufacturer, and this will be discount percentage, and this will be GST percentage, GST tax. So this is expiry date, and this is quantity, right? And this will be invoice number, and this is invoice date, this is address, and anything left. Quantity has been, this is cell quantity, and tada. So I think I have gone with everything. Now on the enter key I'll be adding this all things to database, so you can check it here, key press. So I have already created a connection class, so that I'll be using the same connection class here. So I'll just remove it here. First create connection, connection is equals to new null. Right. Connection is equals to connection manager dot get connection. First I'm instantiating the connection, so I'll just use a try catch block here. Now I have already created a table. I just want to insert into the table, so I'll be creating 16 columns, right? So let me write the query here. So there's some automated query. Insert into invoice table values, okay, 1 2 3 3 sorry, I'll do this there in my table. So string insert data, right? One, two, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? Level 12 13 14 15 16 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 level 12 13 14 15 16 17 1 2 3 4 6 7 8 9 10 13 14 15 16. So one is extra here, so I'll just create a prepare statement. Prepared statement ps is equals to connection dot prepared statement. I'll just pass the query insert data. Sorry, this is a data actually, right? ps dot set string, sorry, set string 1, and I will be working on this. So I have to create 16, right? So first one is nothing but, so I'll get with my database. First fill the product name dot get selected item dot to string, ps dot set string 2. So this will be hsn code, so hsn code dot get text Now ps dot set string, second one, and third one dash number, this will be third, dash number dot get selected item dot toString. So ps dot set string, this will be fourth one. Fourth one is manufacturer dot get text, right? Now ps dot set string, I'll go for fifth one. So let me create this like this, show columns. So columns from enter table. So manufacturer, now expiry date, fifth will be the expiry date, expiry date dot get text. ps dot set string, sixth one, after expiry date product quantity dot get text, right? Then after product MRP price, so MRP price actually a decimal, but I'll be passing that as a string here, nothing to worry, it is perfectly valid. So in the seventh place I'll be passing it MRP price dot get text, but I'll tell you what will be the problem if you put a set string. Okay, so set string 8. So eighth one is sell price dot get text. Now ps dot set string, just a second, I forgot to do one thing here. So nice to done. It's okay.